Clarifion was super kind and sent me this 6-pack of air ionizers to give a try. So I figure before I give them a try, let's unbox these. So they come in this nice box and super nice. I did do a little bit of reading and it does say it meets California's ozone emissions limit and is CARB certified. If you are unfamiliar with CARB, you may want to read up on that. And basically the way ionizers work is they produce ions that stick to the things that are floating around in your air and essentially weigh them down so that when you go to vacuum or mop or clean, you clean them up that way. So I'm just going to tilt this forward a little bit and let's bring this up and tilt it down so you can see better. And this is what comes inside the box. There is a little manual right here, air ionizer, filterless plug-in, and it comes with 6. Here's what one of them looks like. Very small, as you can see, it's smaller than my hand. And essentially, you just pull it out and plug it in. So I'm going to take this one here, and we're just going to move here and plug it in, and it should light up blue. There we go. And it's supposed to be very quiet, near silent, and I will say that I don't hear anything. And it's supposed to help with allergens and just help keeping the air clean. So I will update this video after a couple of weeks and see if I notice a difference. But I just wanted to get on here and do a video and show you what they look like. So thank you so much, Clarifion, for sending these to me to give a try. And I'm really looking forward to seeing how these improve our air quality.